Smoke a lot or?
Yeah, I lost my little brother.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I lost my little
Smoke a lot or?
Yeah, I lost my little brother.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I lost my little brother. That's the only way I could cope my pain.
What happened? If you mind me asking, what happened to your little brother?
He got killed
He did? What, gunfire?
with a knife.
Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. What, your man?
On March 5th, 2025, popular Harlem drill rapper D.D. Osama was arrested in Florida for carrying a firearm and possession of weed. His bond was set at just $1,500. Now, we've got the body cam footage of the moment it all went
Stuff in
down.
the car? The phone and everything. Oh my god, it smells like weed, bro.
Like that?
Stand up. Sir, just step out. Leave everything in the car. Don't reach for any. Leave your phone. Okay? Your car smells like weed. Okay? We have a narcotics dog in detection of narcotics in the vehicle. If the dog alerts, then we'll search the car. If the dog does not alert, we won't search the car. You understand what I'm saying? Just so you guys have an understanding of what's going on, so you're not, hey, you know? You guys are smoking weed, it's not the end of the world, but weed is still illegal, especially here in Florida. Are you guys all from Orlando?
No, I'm from New York.
And you?
New York.
I'm on the floor right now, by the way.
Yeah? You got the accent, right? The New York accent? You boys with a boogie? Nah.
7522.
Okay.
Like 6'9", right? He's from New York?
You can also 7 unit just
You fuck
coming
with him
for
also?
equal.
Nah? Cool, man. I wish you guys the best of luck, man. Maybe one day I see you guys out there. I'm like, bro, I pulled this guy over one day. He was cool.
Honey, can you kiss one for a second?
Turn it on. Well, so do a close up your cuffs really quick. Turn it on. Just don't resist, alright? Alright, you're 19 years old.
Being detained.
You're being detained. You're not being arrested.
Yeah, let's continue. That's what
Listen, I promise you I was let you know what's going on. But remember honesty. Remember the word honesty. Then I came up and I was honest with everybody. You know? But now we're gonna start lying to cops. It's just one of those things that's like, bro. I was up front with everybody here, bro. I asked for honesty, okay? That's a surprise to me, you know? I asked you, I asked everybody in the car clearly, hey, any weapons in the car? Right or wrong? It's on camera, you know? I'm not saying that you're, you know, it's just... What's up?
So it's hot. I can get some water.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna put the air on. Can you give me about 10 minutes or you're gonna pass out?
I can get some water.
I'm gonna bring you inside, alright, bro? Put your hands up. No, put your hands together. Yeah.
You gonna tighten this up?
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, bro. Better? Like you have water here and you have the... Cuffs off. I'm gonna just put one.
It's fine.
There we go. What you mean?
Like so like this, so I can lay down. It's gonna take a couple hours, you said.
For now, can you hold it for now and then later in a bit? Because there's more people here. I'll probably just take you, so it's quicker. Like, we're just gonna see how long it takes you, right, bro? If you need anything, just let me know.
If you could just fill a cup of water for me, so I gotta.
You can call me, bro. I don't have a cup here, but if you, bro, just call me. I'm not gonna get bothered, bro. I promise you, bro. I'm not gonna bother you. Just call me. If you need something, call me. All right. If there's somebody that's bothering you, call me. I'll take care of it. All right.
So
Yeah.
it gotta be like this?
What you mean?
It gotta be like this?
I mean that's our policy. I can't have you loose. You get what I'm saying? And bro, I put it really loose, bro. I didn't even put it tight.
No, I understand. I was just wondering if it was to get both my ribs. So I could lay down.
Give me a second. If nobody comes. Hey, listen. Before I question you and we move forward in this case, I'm gonna read you your rights. All right? Okay. Is there anything right now obstructing you from hearing or answering any questions? All right. Can you hear me right now with a clear and unobstructed? I'm gonna turn off my radio. What's your highest level of education?
Sounds great.
10th grade?
Yeah, 11th grade.
Okay, so would you be able to understand what I'm asking?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your first name?
David.
Last name?
Reyes.
Date of birth? These are your Miranda rights, right? Just let me talk, okay, and then after we'll take it from there, right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney. You cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you will still have the right to stop answering questions at any time until you talk to an attorney. Do you understand the rights I have read to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
What would that mean?
Like having these rights, I just read you your rights. Okay, with those rights that I read you, having them in mind, do you wish to speak to me? I want to ask you some questions, and in order for me to ask you some questions, okay, I need to know that the rights I read to you, you understand them, and you're willing to speak to me.
All right.
So you understood the rights that I read to you?
Yeah.
Okay, with those rights in mind, you still wish to speak to me?
All right.
Okay. Where were you coming from today?
I'll show my video.
What type of video?
South Beach.
What type of video?
It's a music video.
Music video? Okay, and where were you guys staying?
Hilton.
Hilton? What, here in Miami or in like Miami Beach?
Yeah, Hilton Hotel.
Okay. What brings you down to Miami?
Show my video, studio, with producers, studio, it's my job.
Okay. And so you guys just filmed the video and you guys got some McDonald's and we're going back to, I guess, what, the hotel or whatever? Okay. How long are you gonna be here for?
It's till Saturday.
And then go back to what, you had a new song or something?
Yeah, I gotta shoot. I had to shoot a couple of videos.
Cool. Alright. And so the driver, you said the driver was
One of my managers.
one of your managers, and the guys in the car were
My cousins.
your cousins? But like family or just like
Right,
close
we grew up
friends?
together. We grew up together.
Where up?
Like, I grew up in Harlem. So,
Oh, Harlem.
yeah.
Okay. So, got you. Okay, and you have family down here that brings you to Orlando, or you just?
Yeah, my cousin lives up in Boca Raton.
Okay, so you come to Miami a lot, or?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I pulled you guys over, did you see us behind you before we pulled you? You had no idea the cops were behind you guys?
Didn't.
Okay, when did you notice that we were there?
When I was supposed to.
Oh, okay. Because we were behind you when you guys were by the McDonald's,
Yeah.
and then we ended up pulling you over. So, I mean, you weren't driving. I mean, it's not, were you guys smoking in the car?
Not in the car.
Oh, I'm sorry?
Not in the car. You can't smoke in that car.
Now, why would the car smell like weed?
It's obviously weed in it. But can't smoke in it.
You smoke a lot, or?
Yeah, I lost my little brother.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I lost my little brother. That's the only way I could cook my pain.
What happened? If you mind me asking, what happened to your little brother?
He got killed
He did? What, gunfire?
with a knife.
Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. What, your man? Okay. So, and when I asked you if there was a gun in the car, why didn't you tell me, hey, look, I got a gun in the car, officer?
I really was.
I'm sorry?
So I really was.
But did you know the gun was in there?
Yeah.
Why do you carry it?
Because I'm an artist and I know people people would want to rob me just because they think I'm a little kid because of how I look. And I got so much jewelry. Understand?
Right. I understand.
Because I'm an artist. A lot of people want to rob me because I got. That's not a reason.
I mean, I understand what you're saying. You know, do you have any like ops or anything, like any beef? I mean, that.
But I want to kill me, of course. My
And
little
you-
brother died.
Okay, and that's in New York that you have that.
New York.
Do you think any of those people have any ties here to Miami?
Nope.
No.
I think so. Probably. Who knows? I never know.
Gotcha, bro.
You never know.
All right, and
That boy talk.
bro, you know, I mean, I just want to tell you something. You know, I respect. I know you're an artist, and I'm pretty sure you produce good music. But look, you know, if you have a gun in the car, you know, it's one of those things that it's just more of a precaution. That's why I ask. You know, for my safety, the other officer's safety. You get what I'm trying to say, bro? It's something that we ask everybody. You know, just to say, just so we know that that there's a gun in the car, bro. You know, it's not end of the world, but hey, look, I got a gun here, right? It's in here, X, Y, and Z. You know, because God forbid, you know, because the bag was right next to you. You know, what if you would? You got, bro.
I understand
You know,
what you're saying. I understand what you're
I want to go home. I want you to be. I want you to go home. I want everybody in the car to go home. You know, it could be a bad misunderstanding with a big, you know, and that it could have been potentially, you know, avoided. You know what I'm trying to say? But yeah. Where was the bag when you were in the car? Did you have the gun in your waistband and then throw it in there or something?
No.
You just had it in the backpack?
No, no.
Okay. Okay. There's a little piece in the back of the gun that's broken. Do you know anything about it? Like a little crack in the back,
No.
which is consistent with like with an auto sear that could have been attached to the back of the gun,
No.
like a switch.
I know that.
Okay.
That
Do you
is
need water or anything? Do I get you up to get your water?
I get on that side.
All right. So you understand the rights that I read to you earlier when we spoke. So with those rights in mind, I have some questions. Do you still wish to speak to me? Okay.
Yo.
Where'd you buy the gun?
In Orlando.
But from where?
In Orlando, like in some shit called Lakeland, son.
Like a store or?
No, from somebody.
Like a friend of yours, or you bought it off a person?
No, I don't know that nigga for real.
You don't? How much did you buy it for?
700.
$700 for the gun?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And the gun's yours?
Bought it.
So it's yours.
It's not for to protect me, yeah.
Okay. So you bought the gun to protect you. Okay. But you didn't buy it at a store or none of that.
Yeah.
It's just you bought it off somebody for $700 cash.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You don't know who that is though.
No.
Okay. All right, man. Thank you. We're gonna try and get you out of here quick. The driver of the car didn't have a gun?
That's my manager.
Your manager? He doesn't carry a gun?
Orlando.
What?
Orlando.
What about it?
I don't know, I don't know, cause I just met him for real.
Oh, you just met him?
Yeah.
But when you were in the car, did he have a gun on him today?
Today?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.